Hi, my name is Scott Anderson. You've reached my extended review. Today, an unboxing video. I've been trying to do them, so I have adjusted it so that it'll work out much better. And I did pre-cut the tape this time. So we are opening up the box and pulling out the device. So you'll notice that there's another box within the box. And I'm taking it out of the box. It is a well-packaged box. So this is the inside protect. Don't allow the system to be damaged by. So there, as you can see, it is an Alienware. This is the back. It's got a speaker, but it's also got all those ports. I'll scroll across, speaker on the other side. And then, of course, you open it up. It's got a nice cloth to protect the screen. There is the wonderful manual, and then, of course, power supply. Now, because it is Alienware, it is not USB-C. Alienware doesn't do USB-C. Fair enough. Nice box, straightforward box. There's the power supply and the cord. Comes with a protected plastic plate. So anyway, I'll bring this camera around now because I don't need the stand anymore. And you can see there's the keyboard, the additional speakers. And you can see the Alienware logo. So a very nice, simple setup coming today. I'd hoped to do it over the weekend, but you know how that goes. Nothing ever really works out the way you'd like it to. So this is the power cable. And I haven't turned the system on yet, but I'm going to plug it in. So let me get the power plug. And it's going to go over to here. I believe it's on the left side. Oh, no, it's not. It's on the right side. Oh, no, it's in the back. Oh, that's cool. New thing. All right. Well, that's a little bit more convenient. It's on back. The power goes on the back instead of on the older Alienwares it went on the left. So that's a good thing. So let me put my cord down. I got a plug already ready for it. And there is the power button. As you can see, first of all, the keypad lights up. You can see the area around the speakers light up, and there we go. And it is booting. Slowly but surely. I love the... Oh, whoop. I love the Alienware logo. That is the coolest logo. Absolutely love it. So cool. Anyway, you can hear it start to come on. It is an Intel Core Ultra 9, the current highest end chip. So it is very useful, very cool. And we're going to boot here. So I will bring it back to me to end the conversation and say thank you for watching my extended review unboxing an Alienware Area 51 16-inch laptop.